Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can make changes in your invoice template. So on TranZact we have provided two type of templates for the invoice. You can quickly just go ahead and select one of the template and you can use it for your document. Let me show you how. So you need to click on all modules. Now here you need to go to settings. Once click on setting, please go to documents, and in documents you will find option of template setting. Now please go there, please check. Here is one of our format is legacy and another is compact. So once I will click on this view, please check this is my legacy format which will get displayed. Now suppose I don't want to use the legacy. What I will do, I will go ahead and select the compact. Let me show you how the compact will look like. So this is how the compact template will look like. I want to use this particular template. So go back, I will click on save settings, and now once I will create a new invoice, it will come in the compact form. So this is how you can go ahead and make the changes in template setting of invoice. Have a good day ahead.